Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete a playlist on Apple Music. To do this you have just to go to Apple Music, go to playlists, and after that go to the playlist that you want to delete, open it, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen, scroll down until you will find an option called delete from library. If you want to delete that playlist, you have just to click on it and it will tell you that are you sure you want to delete this playlist from your library, and if you click yes, it will delete the playlist from the library. But you must know something: if you delete a playlist you can't get it back again, so be careful before deleting any of your playlists on Apple Music. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.